Windows 10, by default, hides the file extension from the user view in File Explorer to keep the directory clean. However, you may sometimes need it to show file extensions in Windows 10. It also helps you find the right program to open a file in case Windows cannot recognize the right program to run the file. This article has put together multiple methods to show file extensions in Windows 10. Method 1. Use Windows File Explorer. Press the Windows key and E to open File Explorer. Make sure the ribbon is maximized, and you can see the File, Home, Share, and View tabs. Click on the View tab. Check the file name extensions box under the Show Hide section. Now, if you open any folder, you should be able to view the file name, followed by the extension for all the files. Method 2. Show file extensions using Control Panel. Using Control Panel settings, you can easily configure Windows to show file extensions, so you know the exact type of each file. Press the Windows key and R-type Control and press OK. Click on the Appearance and Personalization tab. Click on File Explorer Options. In the File Explorer Options window, click on the View tab. Under Advanced Settings, scroll down and uncheck the box Hide Extensions for known file types. Click Apply and click OK to save the changes. Windows 10 should show file extensions in File Explorer now. Method 3. Use the Registry Editor. Press the Windows key and R, type regedit, and click OK. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path in the left pane. In the right pane, look for the high-def-ILEXT word value. Right-click on high-def-ILEXT word and select Modify. In the Value Data, type 0 and click OK. Close the Registry Editor and check if Windows 10 shows file extensions. Another method to show your file extensions is to use the Registry Editor. This changes the DWORD responsible for showing your file extension on Windows 10. We hope that our solutions help you be able to show file types and extensions in Windows 10. You can also show your file extensions on Windows using CMD, PowerShell, and Group Policy Editor. But the solutions here are the simplest to apply. Make sure you follow the steps carefully, and things should be back to normal. Feel free to let us know the solution that helped you fix this issue in the comments below.